Morning students, today is our GK class, and in our GK class today we will read 3 chapters again. Chapter 48 Internet World, Chapter 49 Smart Machine, Chapter 50 Business Tycoon. Chapter 48 Internet World. So check your awareness about internet. So chapter 48 is about the internet. So question 1 is, what is the full form of www? So correct answer is World Wide and World Wide Web. Answer is third one, World Wide Web. Second question is, what is URL? What is URL? URL is address of a web page. URL is address of a web page. Third question, all web addresses start with which of the following? All web address start with, answer is third one, HTTP. And the fourth question is, a word that appears underlined on the web page is usually a link to another web page. Answer is third one. Fifth question, which one of the following is a search engine? Google is a search engine because we can search everything on Google. Question 6, what is the home page? What is the home page? Home page is a file that automatically load when a browser opened. Next one, what is the full form of ISP? The full form of ISP is Internet Service Provider. Next question, which of the following is true? Third answer is third. You should always cite the web sources if you see information from the web. It is the correct answer. Next one, name the two parts of an email ID in the right order. Email ID in the right order. Two parts, username and domain name. This is the right order. Last question, 10th and last question is, what is a website? A location on the web server is a website. Chapter 49 Smart Machines. So the invention of new technologies or gadgets makes our lives easier and helps us to work more efficiently. So the invention, here are some inventions are given. So read about some smart invention. The first one is, this is GSP tracker. Second one is credit card. Third is printing press. Fourth one is passenger elevator. And fifth one is microwave oven. So what is GSP? GSP was invented by Roger I. Easton in 1973. It was made to pinpoint your exit position within a couple of meters with the help of up to 32 satellites. It became a great invention for explorers. Next one is credit card. Credit card is invented in 1920s in the US. It was first used especially to sell fuel to a growing number of automobile owners. Next one is printing press. In the 15th century, the German inventor Johannes invented this printed press machine. It was the first machine that could make copies of whole pages of text. Next one is passenger elevator. An American inventor develops the modern and safe elevator with elevator brakes. The first passenger elevator, driven by steam power, was put into 5-story departmental store in New York in 1857. The last one is microwave oven. It is invented in 1947. It is most commonly used for the rapid reheating of previously cooked food and rapid heating of slow prepared cooking items. So you will read in detail. Details are given in the chapter. So you will read it again. This chapter 49. So now last one is the business tycoon. Business tycoon. So given what is the meaning of tycoon? Tycoon mean a wealthy and powerful person in business and the industry. So given below are the brief account of some words top business tycoon. Write their names using the help box. So first one is, according to Forbes 2018, he is the world's most rich person. He is the founder, CEO and chairman of Amazon.com. So he belongs to New Mexico. Who is he? He is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. Second one, he is a famous business tycoon in the world. As of 2018, he stands in the second rank. He is the founder of Microsoft. He donates a major portion of his wealth to his charitable trust, Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Who is he? He is Bill Gates. Third one, he is the chairman and CEO of Reliance Industries Limited. As of 2018, he is India's and Asia's richest man. He is the president of Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. He is Mukesh Ambani. He is an Indian. Now, fourth one, as of 2018, she is the world's richest woman. She is the chairman of L'Oreal. Who is he? Who is she? She is Francoise Bettencourt Meyers. Now, fifth and last one. All the of 23, he is the co-founder, chairman and CEO Facebook. He is also the co-founder and he is a board member of Breakthrough Starshot. Who is he? He is Mark Zuckerberg. He is the CEO of Facebook. So today we have completed 3 chapters. Chapter 48, chapter 49 and chapter 50. So again you will read these chapters carefully from your book. And I will send all the question answer and exercise, all the exercise of this chapter. So you will complete your work in note and book both. Okay. Good day, students.